my name is Avni Satishan. I'm from Temperate Technology. I'm a marketing manager. So here you are seeing Temperate Technologies to produce whatever we are doing. So the major aim is that providing farmers an additional income and reducing the post-harvest wastage. So we are helping out to build cold storage facilities for farmers and FPOs. Here we are not doing any organic produce or anything. It is helping us to store and increase the shelf life of the organic produce or any kind of fruits and vegetables. It's Hyderabad's based completely a startup company.